I got a winter weather advisory on my phone for tonight, and it's supposed to snow, I think, up to 6 inches at elevations of 5,000 feet and up. And we're almost 4,000 feet, so snow won't get down here, but it's going to be cold it's going to be cold. So there's some mountains right over here. I'm pretty sure those mountains out there are above 5,000 feet, and it would be interesting to stay here and see in the morning, watch those mountains get all snow capped. That'd be interesting to see. But yeah, thanks but no thanks. We're gonna get out of here. That's it. We're leaving Kingman, Arizona, and it is cold. It's about 50 degrees. That's cold enough. And let's see, it's windy, it's cloudy, and this weather looks like it's going to be here to stay, according to the extended forecast. So it is time to get out of here. I think we're going the right way. I see blue skies ahead. Blue skies and sunshine. And where we're going, I think on average that's about 10 degree warmer weather. So we should be safe from the snow. We're going to be alright. Lake Havasu City and Parker. Down Highway 95 south. Yes, we'll be in this area, southwestern Arizona and southern California. It's a lot of territory, but we'll probably be down here most of the winter. I think I said in an earlier video that we are going to try to venture out of the area, and depending on the forecast in some other areas. I'd still like to go up to Death Valley National Park sometime. We'll see what happens this season. We might not stay in the area long, but we did make it down to Lake Havasu. Some friends, gonna go with some friends and get something to eat, and might be revamping our plans for a while. I'm not sure exactly what that means yet, but we might be doing something. We'll see. I don't know yet. What do you think we should do? Huh? What do you say? Alright, we're just kind of having a walk through town here. I don't know, looking at stuff. I think we're gonna get some tacos or something.
Apparently this dog is raining.
Alright. And I think there's some... Oh, there's supposed to be a car cruise through town here. And look at this radical looking thing, guys. It's a hearse with a running straight headers. This is a real popular thing to do here. Is these old custom rusty patina look. This old Cadillac fixed up. It's got custom wheels on it. An old two-door. The other side probably be a better shot with the sun. While there's no traffic, we'll get a quick look at these from the sunny side. But I better get off the street here in a minute. This old Pontiac Catalina, an early. I like these old Fords. Man, it is spotless. Absolutely spotless. Here comes that hearse again. Okay. Here's some of my favorite things is just good survivors, good original survivors, all stock. I can appreciate that on about any model. There's only so many pure stock survivors left, you know. Yeah, quite a car cruise. Got a custom, what's that? A Mercury Woody wagon, and a custom Volkswagen Bug across the street. Nice. Actually, the traffic's not too close here. I went to school with a kid that had one of these, the GTO, the Judge. I didn't like him very much, but I went to school with him. LTD, had the big 390 emblems on there. I think my friends are over across the street somewhere. Yeah, they're over there. Okay, that Mach 1 over there, I had one of those. It was a 73 yellow Mach 1. Yeah, so I ruined it. It was fun while it lasted. Oops, I guess I could have recorded something. There was like 10 or 11 of us. We mainly all had tacos. I had my first shrimp taco. It was really good. And a beef taco. And there's this little place right up the sidewalk here called Small Cakes. It's a cupcakery. And I got German chocolate. So there's dessert. Yum. Well, we're getting ready to leave. There's so many places to eat and little shops around here. We happen to find this gravel parking lot up here near the car show. And there's just so many nice businesses and delis and just eateries. It's a nice town. And there's a typical Arizona evening sky. We still got to get to our camp spot here. Maybe, I think it's really close, so we might get there before dark. We better hurry though. Well, we didn't make it before dark. It's just minutes later. Once that sun goes over those mountains, it gets dark quick and it starts cooling down quick. But so we'll have to find our way in the dark. There's been a sudden change in plans. Actually, I've been contemplating this for a while now. Let me back up. The finding camp after dark last night didn't go very well. Well, we found it, but just parking the bounder after dark is difficult. Nothing happened. I didn't get stuck or back into anything again, or nothing like that happened. But I ended up going to an entirely different spot, somewhere that I had been before and I knew I could park safely. So anyway, all that to say, we've changed plans anyway. We've done the same thing every winter. We go to the I-90 or the Highway 95 corridor from Lake Havasu City to Parker to Ehrenberg and Quartzsite and down to Yuma, and we'll probably still do some of that later. But right now, I'm just not ready to just go there and start that already. I'm not. And traveling with the group is now bigger than I've ever seen it, and it's early in the season. And I prefer traveling with a smaller group, and it just gets a little more complicated with this many people. So some of that's already, never mind that. But we're leaving Arizona. We're going to California. And briefly back into, I think, Arizona again, a different part of it, and then into Nevada, I think, then back into California. It's just the way the highway zigzags. But we're going to go spend some time in California. things on the way. We're going to make a giant loop and end up somewhere back in Arizona, maybe in a couple of weeks. I don't know the timeline yet. It might be a couple of days, it might be a couple of weeks, it might be... I don't know yet. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here, and we'll probably be back from somewhere else. No specifics yet. That's the plan. We'll go now. Thanks for watching. Check back soon. We're going to be somewhere else. That's for sure. I'll see you next time.